Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I see an opportunity to buy on USDCAD. The reason is very simple. On high time frame, the price making bullish trend. The setup is on H4. So what is the setup? When we switch to the line chart, the price here making a high and also the price making lower low. So this is nothing but the QM buy, the Quasimodo entry. When we again switch to candlestick, the price is on H4 demand zone, marking that with the rectangle. So guys, I am entering few more positions now. Now the price rejected few pips. Let's see what happens to my trade.
One eternity later.
After a long time, my trade hit stop loss. No problem, the losses are part of life.
The next day.
So guys, I recovered all my losses with some trade, even $10 profit.
Nice.
See you on next video. Thank you for watching.